How to create email folder in Outlook mobile app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the quick tutorial on how to create email folder in Outlook mobile app. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Outlook application on your device and make sure you are signed in to the account in which you want to make changes in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in to the account in which you want to make changes. Once signed in, tap hold on the mail that you want to make folder of. On the bottom of your screen, you will see various options. Tap on the bottom center icon, which is the move folder option. You will again see various options like you can archive the mail or check the sent items or delete the mail and many more. But since we want to create a folder, tap on the icon you see on the top right of your screen. In the pop-up that appears, name your folder and tap on the create option. With this, the folder has been created and the mail has been moved. Now, if you want to check your mail, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and you will see the folder you just created. You can tap on that and see the mail you moved. So this is how you can create email folder in Outlook mobile app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.